What's good? It's your boy Stack. Here with a message, man. I've been riding for a team for a very long time. Was with them even when they was down, even when they was out. Hell, they was never really up. And I stayed a loyal supporter. But Atlanta, I don't know what y'all thinking. I don't know what y'all thinking. I don't know what your coach is thinking. I don't know what y'all as a team even have running through your brain right now. So I hate to say that today, I'm gonna teach y'all how to deal with the Atlanta Falcons. And this is gonna be a lesson you don't wanna miss. So as y'all see, I have Falcon memorabilia everywhere. But today, after seeing the trades they're making and the losses they're taking, I have to say today is the day that all of that slips down that drain. This is how you deal with the Falcons. You add a little water, and you gently press the button, and you just push their ass away. Just force them down.
And this been a public service announcement.
Came from track, little mama. I made it happen, little mama. Pop the seal, let me doze out. Hold this drip like I done hosed out. You ain't with it, and that's your loss. I'm independent, I'm my own boss. Weaving traffic, got my chauffeur with me. This glizzy on me, leave shoulder dipping. Got a couple daughters, but I don't play with children. I'm a CEO, and you get the business. I don't need no letters in the paperwork. Get my name up in your people talking, they done changed up in it. Got me counting on the racks, and they changed up in it. Being paid. Niggas be capping no more. They throwing our shit. I ain't just rapping no more. Yeah, we been getting paid. Yeah, we been getting paid. Yeah, we been getting paid.